In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in Surveymonkey, effectively turning your survey into a multi-page experience. This is incredibly useful for organizing your content and significantly improving respondent engagement by breaking down your survey into manageable sections. Let's dive right into the details of adding a page, or section, using the Surveymonkey web interface. First, you need to open your survey in Design Survey mode. Once you have it open, take a look at the Build sidebar menu on your screen. To add a new page, you'll want to make use of the drag and drop feature. From the bottom of this sidebar, you can drag a page break and drop it where you desire to split the current content into a new page within the flow. This handy tool allows you to organize your questions into distinct sections, making it easier for respondents to navigate through your survey. Additionally, you'll notice a plus page break button that appears between questions. This is another straightforward way to insert a page break whenever you need one. It's all about flexibility and making sure your survey works efficiently for you and your audience. Now, if you'd like to add a section at the very end of your survey, you can easily do so by clicking the plus New Page button located at the bottom of an existing page. This method ensures you have full control over the flow of your survey from start to finish. Here's a helpful tip to keep in mind. Page breaks are permanent features within your survey. If you happen to add one accidentally, you'll need to delete that page. Then, you have the option to either move the existing questions up or down, depending on how you wish to reconfigure the flow of your survey. It's a simple adjustment, but being aware of it can save you time and effort down the line. Now that you've added pages, it's important to know how to manage them effectively. Once your pages are in place, you can easily adjust and manage them using the More Actions menu, which appears as 3 dots at the top of each page. This is where you'll find several options to customize your pages further. For instance, if you need to replicate an existing page, you can use the Copy Page option. This duplicates all the questions on that page, speeding up your survey creation process. Remember though, any skip logic or randomization isn't copied unless it's applied globally to the survey. If the order of your pages needs some tweaking, the Move Page function will help you reorder your sections without disrupting any existing logic flows. It's a great way to ensure your survey has a seamless, logical progression. Additionally, if you want to update the page's title or description for clarity or relevance, you can do so using the Edit Page Info option. Lastly, if there's ever a page that needs to be completely removed, you can choose the Delete Page option. You'll then decide whether to delete its content or move those questions to adjacent pages. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding and managing pages in Surveymonkey. This process not only enhances your survey's structure, but also creates a more engaging experience for your respondents. Good luck with your survey creation and happy surveying.